Hello there, YouTube. This is Alex from the Mobile Voice, and today I have an unboxing of the Hammacher Schlemmer. I believe that's what it is called. Virtual keyboard, and this is a website that you can buy it at hammacher.com for $199.95, and they were kind enough to send me this loaner for review. And I will put a link in the description where you can click to buy this product. And let's get into the unboxing. So they sent it to me in here. Here it is. It's really nice packaging. The virtual keyboard, of course, is right there, and there's a picture of how it works. And I will show you more of that in a second. And they also sent me a very nice catalog with all the Hammacher Schlemmer products available to buy, and they are really cool, interesting products. But back to the keyboard itself. It's called the Magic Cube. It's a projection keyboard and multi-touch mouse. Has a sensor, LED light, and it does connect with Bluetooth. And it's compatible with iOS, Android, Windows, and Mac. You can see. Now you just remove the tape here on the sides. You slide this part right out. This is just a plain little cardboard piece. So here you have the actual contents of the package. You just take off this little plastic piece on the top, put that to the side. And here, before we get onto the actual product, let me read what here at the bottom. It says Magic Cube. It's a little white box. Put this off to the side for a second. Magic Cube, portable input solution for mobile devices. So here is the actual USB cable that you can use to connect it to different devices. It is mini USB to normal USB, so that should come in handy. And then here is the user guide, Magic Cube user guide, pictures detailing what all the components on the actual device do. And finally, a little pamphlet on quick tips. There it is, the keyboard being used on an iPad, if you can see that. It says, practice and try different approaches to see what is most comfortable for you. I'm guessing that applies to how you type on the actual virtual keyboard. Now, to the actual product. Let's see how we can get this out. Bear with me here for a second, people, while I attempt to remove this from the package. And here we finally have the Magic Cube. Now it's very nice. Let's see what I can compare it to. Here is an iPhone in comparison. So you can tell it's very nice and petite. And overall, let's see, one second. Here we go. See Magic Cube there at the top. Here is the sensor that does project the keyboard. LED light section on the back here. Well, on the sides, it's a really nice silver embezzlement, I would say. Here it says Bluetooth. Also, it says Bluetooth on this side. And then on the back, you do have a power switch on and off. And then the section to connect the USB is a little port with a little latch closing. And so there you have it. This has been my unboxing, but please stay tuned for a full review and demo of how to use this actual product. And again, I will put a link in the description below where you can actually go ahead and buy this product for yourself. $199.95 from Hammacher and Schlemmer. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for more videos.